Nikki talks and talks and talks and talks even more about crypto. What rhymes with crypto? I don't know, maybe podcast show. We ask ourselves what brings us here. Our questions answered, questionably clear. He may not be the funniest or the best looking guy, but we still stop by because he's not AI. At the end of this episode, get another reloaded. Sit back, enjoy. It's time for the minimally famous Crypto Decoded.
So I wanted to talk about crypto wallets. A crypto wallet is basically a digital tool that manages private keys or your passwords. And these are what you'll need to access and control your cryptocurrencies, which actually live on the blockchain. They're not actually in the wallet themselves. They're on the blockchain, as we mentioned in our other episode, the first episode. It works like storing these keys, allowing you to send and receive and manage your crypto by signing transactions. And this would be your gateway to the blockchain network for interacting with your assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, my favorite. Wallets are used to secure your coins, also known as your digital assets. So you'll hear these words used interchangeably. You can track your balances and facilitate transactions. And these would be ranging from like mobile apps to physical hardware devices with different types. And these offer varying different levels of security and convenience for you. So how these crypto wallets work is, like I said, they're more like keys. So you have a public key, which is an address, like an email address or a bank account number, and these are shared to receive your funds. So if you want to receive crypto, you would use your public key, and then you have your private key, which is a secret password that proves ownership and authorizes you to be able to send crypto. Now, your seed phrase is a recovery phrase. It's a master list of words that you would use to recover your private key if your wallet's lost. Blockchain interactions, like when you send crypto, your wallet uses your private keys to your private key to digitally sign the transaction, proving that you own the assets or the crypto. And the signed transaction is then broadcast to the blockchain network, which then verifies and records the transfer. So you have different types of wallets. You have software wallets. These are like mobile wallets. These would be apps on your phone. Think of certain ones would be like Coinbase Wallet and Trust Wallet. Then, of course, you have desktop ones. These are programs that are installed on your computer. You have web-based browser extensions, and these are accessed through the web browser. An example would be like MetaMask. And you can Google any of these names and get, more information on the specific names of any of these that I might be mentioning here. Then you have your hardware wallets, like physical devices, and some names would be, and also very popular, would be Ledger, Trezor, or my favorite, which is Tangem. I like Tangem because it's like a credit card that you just tap on your phone, and it's awesome. I love it. These actually store your private keys offline, and this offers you your highest security. And then there's the worst case scenario, the paper wallets. These are your keys printed or written on paper. They're highly secure, but less convenient. And God forbid your dog eats these with your homework. You also have custodial versus non-custodial wallets, like an exchange. They hold keys for you. Non-custodial, most others give you full control. So how they're used is you would either download and acquire the wallet, like possibly the brands I've mentioned, or if you were to get one of the hardware wallets, then you would set it up and securely back up your seed phrase. Now, receiving crypto is where you'll share your public wallet address with others. Sending crypto is you're entering the recipient's address and the amount and confirm it with your private key. You can use these to manage your crypto, like checking your balance, viewing transaction history, and interacting with decentralized apps. These are also known as DApps. So, protect your keys, protect your seed phrase at all cost. Losing them means losing all your crypto. And you don't want that. Like the guy who wanted to buy the dump site because his USB stick that had all of his Bitcoin was somewhere in the dump. And I think he had millions and millions of dollars worth of it in there. So, yeah, don't be that guy. Okay, so just wanted to put a quick video out for this week on wallets. If you got any questions, put them in the comments, like and subscribe. And we need 50 subscribers so that we can start doing live streams. So hit that like button, share with your friends, share with other people who just need some quick basic info on how all this works and what it's about. Thanks for stopping by. See you next week.